If you're looking for a healthy, delicious, and a protein-packed meal, you've come to the right place. Today, we are going to be making a Mediterranean rice and chickpea salad bowl. And let me tell you, it tastes delicious. It has a ton of flavor. It is packed with nutrients and protein. Let me show you how I make it. So I'm going to start with making a creamy yogurt dressing. My choice of protein is going to be Greek yogurt to begin with. I'm going to take about 100 grams of Greek yogurt, which is this, and I'm going to mix in a bit of garlic powder, a bit of red pepper, some salt. I have a little bit of a grated cucumber, which I'm going to mix in here. And I'm just gonna mix this together. So I'm gonna take this dressing and spread it at the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to spread this dressing into a thin layer, and our salad is going to go on top. So as you're eating the salad, you can scoop a part of the dressing. Okay, so this is how the bottom of the bowl looks. Now we are going to set this aside and assemble our salad, which is going to go on top. So I'm going to start with rice. I made this rice yesterday using coconut oil. The benefit of using coconut oil is it increases the resistant starch when you refrigerate the rice for 12 hours, and that prevents spike in blood sugar levels. So I'm going to include a link to the video on how to make rice with coconut oil in the caption. Check that out. For now, I'm going to take half a cup of the rice made in coconut oil. Next, I'm going to use chickpeas. These are canned chickpeas, but you can also take the dry chickpeas and soak and boil them at home. This was just more convenient and fast for me. So I'm taking about 3/4 of a cup of chickpeas. I'm going to add some cucumbers and some tomatoes, some onions, and I'm going to use another protein source, edamame. These are soya beans. They're a great source of protein. I buy these frozen packets. Half a cup of these edamame is about 9 grams in protein and only 90 calories. So this is a great source of protein, especially for vegetarians. I'm going to take some edamame and add that to the mix. I'm out of cilantro, unfortunately, today, but I do have some fresh mint from my kitchen garden, so I'm just gonna add that. Next, I'm going to take some lime or lemon, whatever you have at home, and squeeze it. Next, I'm going to add some seasonings. You can add salt, red pepper, garlic powder, whatever you like. I picked this up from Trader Joe's. It's a chili lime, and I really like the seasoning, so I'm going to use this today. At this point, you can add some olive oil if you'd like, but today, instead of olive oil, I'm going to use hummus. So hummus you can buy from a store or you can make it at home. I made it at home using tahini sauce, which is made from dry roasted sesame seeds. And then you mix in some chickpeas and you mix in some olive oil, and it tastes absolutely divine. I'll make a separate video for hummus, but for now, if you have it at home, great. If not, you can pick it up at a grocery store or you could just exclude it. So I'm going to scoop out 1 to 2 tablespoons of hummus and just mix it in. It looks so good. I can't wait to dig in. Now that our salad is ready, we are going to start assembling everything together. So we're going to go back to our bowl with the Greek yogurt dressing on the bottom, and I'm going to sprinkle some dill and some crushed red pepper on it. So I feel like dill just adds a little bit of a flavor. I don't have a fresh one, so I'm just going to use this today. And to add a little bit of spice, I'm going to add some crushed red pepper on top. Our base is ready, and now we're just going to add some salad. We're just going to spread it around. Now, you can have this bowl as is. It has about 24 gram protein, 350 calories. It's going to be a very filling meal. I'm going to top this bowl with some grilled chicken tikka that I made in the air fryer. You can also use fish, or if you're vegetarian, you can use grilled tofu or grilled paneer. It's really up to you. So I just got the chicken out of the air fryer, and I'm going to top the salad bowl with some of this chicken tikka. Now I'm going to just squeeze some fresh lime juice on top, a bit of salt, and some sliced onions. Our salad bowl is ready. Look how beautiful it looks. It's packed with flavor, with nutrients. It has about 450 calories, 45 gram protein, and 8 gram fiber. I'm gonna go set up the dinner table for my family. I do hope you tried, and if you do, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Bye for now.